Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain about divisibility rules. Divisibility rules. Divisibility rules is nothing but the process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without performing actual division. So first of all we will see divisibility by 2. Whether a given number is divisible by 2 or not, we will check. So a number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has one of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place. That means if we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place, so that number should be exactly divisible by 2. By seeing the number only, you can tell it as whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Let us take example 452. 452. So in this number 2 is at one's place. So this number will be divisible by 2. So total 452 also is divisible by 2. Within fraction of second you can tell it as whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. Second example 2468. In 2468 at one's place we have 8. So 8 is also divisible by 2. So total 2468 is divisible by 2. Now we will see the divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility by 3. The sum of digits is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. The sum of digits is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So you have to add the numbers and you have to check whether it is a multiple of 3 or not. If it is multiple of 3, then it will be divisible by 3. So let us take one example 117. In this 117 you need to add all the numbers 1 plus 1 plus 7, that equal to 9. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9, that equal to 9 is 3 3s are 9, multiple of 3 3s are 9. So 117 is divisible by 3. Now one more example 45,986. So add all the numbers 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 6 is equal to 32. 32 will not come in 3 table, so it is not a multiple of 3. So it won't divisible by 3. That is 45,986 is not divisible by 3. Like this you can check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Now we will see the divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are divisible by 4. If its last two digits are divisible by 4 means in a given number you need to take out last two digits, that is ones and tens place value, and you have to perform the actual division. If you are getting remainder as 0, then it will be divisible by 4, otherwise it won't be divisible by 4. Let us take example 54,696. So in this one, last two digits are 96. So you have to divide with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 8, remainder 1, remaining 6, 4 fours are 16. So you are getting 0 as remainder. So this number will be divisible by 4. $54,696 is divisible by 4. If you are not getting 0 as remainder, it won't be divisible by 4. Now we will see the divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5. Number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 at ones place. Within fraction of second you can tell whether the number is divisible by 5 or not, because at ones place you need to check. Example 55,785, 10,010. In 5785, 5 is 5 at ones place you have 5, so it will be divisible by 5. And 10,010, you have 0 at ones place, so it will be divisible by 5. Now we will see divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. So first of all you have to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not and 3 or not. Then if it is divisible by 2 and 3, then it will be divisible by 6. Otherwise it will not be divisible by 6. Now we will see divisibility rule of 8, that is divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8. The number formed by, if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So first of all you need to take the last 3 digits and you have to perform the actual division. Then if you are getting 0 as remainder, so it will be divisible by 8. otherwise it won't be divisible by 8. Let us take one example. 93,624. In this number, last 3 digits are 624. So divide with 8. 8 1 is 82, 16 3 24, 8 7 56, 8 8 64. So you need to take 8 7 56. So take borrow. It will be 12. 12 minus 6 6. So 64. You take the 64. Remainder as 0. So remainder you are getting 0. Then 90,624 is divisible by 8. Now we will see divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility by 9. It is same as divisibility by 3. First you have to add the numbers and it will be multiple of 9. If the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. You need to add the number and you have to check whether it is a multiple of 9 or not. Take example as 3,465. So add all the numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 11. 11 sorry 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 5 18. It is divisible by 9 because 18 is a multiple of 9. 9 2s are 18. It is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. Divisibility by 10. If 0 at one's place, then it is divisible by 10. Like if you have 1 2 3 4 any number, so it will not be divisible by 10. If you 0 at one's place, it will be divisible by 10. Example 15,980 and 21,680. These two numbers are divisible by 10 because at one's place we have 0. Now we will see divisibility by 11. The differences between sum of digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Either 0 or divisible by 11, then that number is divisible by 11. So first of all you need to take out the sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places. After that you need to take out the difference between the two numbers and you should get 0 or divisible by 11. Then given number should be divisible by 11, otherwise it won't be divisible. Take one example. 1 crore 90 lakhs 91,908. In this sum of digits at odd places. Odd places is nothing but at ones, 10,000, 10 lakh, like this. So that is 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, that equal to 35. Sum of digits at even places. Even places have tens value, thousand value, lakh value, and crore value. That is 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1, that equal to 2. Now you have to take out difference between these two numbers. Difference between sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places. That is 35 minus 2, that equal to 33. So 33 is divisible by 11, because 11 threes are 33. We will get remainder as 0. So it is exactly divisible by 11. So then 1 crore 90 lakhs 91,908 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. Thank you.